皆さんこんにちは、Sakina です。Hi everyone, I'm Sakina from Journey to Japan. I have been teaching Japanese for about 8 years to learners all over the world, and I have taught at the language schools and universities in the US and Taiwan, and supported over 800 students through private lessons. I enjoy teaching Japanese on social media and in group lessons, but what I especially like is actually private lessons. That's because in private lessons, I can fully customize each lesson to the individual student. I can focus on what you want to learn, build a deeper relationship with you, and enjoy teaching just like talking with a good friend. So in our lesson, you can simply enjoy learning Japanese and speak without being afraid of making mistakes. I offer private lessons in 3 lengths: 25 minutes, 50 minutes, and 75 minutes. The 25-minute lesson is for intermediate or advanced learners who mainly want conversation practice, or for busy people who don't have much time but still want to study Japanese regularly. The 50-minute lesson is the one I recommend the most. It's long enough to combine conversation practice and textbook-based study, but not too long, so you can stay focused and productive. For learners who want to study more seriously and go deeper, I also offer a 75-minute lesson. Each lesson length comes in a package of 4, 8, or 12 lessons. I usually don't offer single lessons because language learning is a long journey. If you only take one lesson, it's very hard to see the real progress. I recommend studying for at least 2 or 3 months and then comparing your first lesson with the latest one. You will be surprised how much you have improved. If you have never taken my lesson before, please start with a trial lesson. In the trial lesson, I will check your current Japanese level, help you set clear goals, suggest the best lesson styles and frequency for you. If you decide to continue, I will create a private Google Classroom for you. There you will receive lesson links, homeworks, and lesson notes. After every lesson, I will send you a personalized lesson notes summarizing what we studied along with homework. At the beginning of each lesson, we will start by checking your homework together. Since these are private lessons, everything is fully customized for you. We can adjust the content based on what you want to learn and how you want to study. If you want faster and more intensive result, I recommend my 90 days coaching program. But if you want to build a steady habit and speak Japanese regularly, then private lessons are a great choice. So book a trial lesson first and see how it is like. I'm really looking forward to meeting you and speaking with you in the class. Talk to you soon!